Hey, welcome to another after the close review on Motilnet. Today we're going to look at Rivian, RIVN. It's an EV stock that's been some good volume today. It was towards the top of the leaderboard. We're looking here at the 15-minute chart. This is kind of consolidating in on the 200 MA on the 15, which is a nice area if it holds. What we're looking at is basically to take our fib from the open 15 minutes, come down. That's going to give us our first Fibonacci trend line of what we're looking for, help figure out some targets. We bring that right across to the day. If we see it kind of played in the zone, right? So based on that, tomorrow, if it fails on the 50 against the 15, we'll look for it to kind of like follow the trend, come down to around 22, play to 23, get to somewhere around this area here, 2084 to 2050, 2150. That would be a perfect area to get started if you wanted to open a position or if you're playing a short. Of course, you want to watch that it confirms and breaks below the trend line. Now, if we look, this target just doesn't come out of the air. 2084, it actually lines up as a support area. So we would look at that as where the free fall should hold. If it doesn't, the next zone drops down to around 1929. And if that fails, then it's somewhere here between 17 and 1573. But we are kind of like in a bullish pattern. So if we allow for 1 or 2 days of downward back reversal, that's fine. You have like a head and shoulders kind of forming. And then what we can see is once it comes down, let it get back up, play the zone. Once we break over 2550, then you're going to have some good action. If we open it onto the daily, you can kind of see here, once we break 2550, the next target is actually up here around 2940, which if all goes well, you could see that probably by the end of this week, beginning of next week. And if that continues, then we're looking for 35, 56, and then get up to 95 and 180. But those are kind of like longer shots. Based on the length of the consolidation, that might take a while. But continue with some good news and everyone liking the EVs, this might be a great shot. So if you're playing Rivian, good luck. Be careful. If you're going on the long, entry point, again, somewhere around that 2050 to 2150 zone, you'd probably want to stop out right here, just below 2050. So around 20 bucks, 1990, something like that, 50, 60 cents, you're good. And then you have a nice upward move. Otherwise, like we said, that could break down and you'll get shot. So play safe, have fun, good luck.